Alright guys, today's project we're going to be working on this John Deere 4840. It's got a little fuel leak on coming out of the injector pump here. I believe that's the return line going back to the fuel tank. But what it's doing is, I'll zoom in right here, and right here on this this fitting right here, it's leaking out this side, and there's a little, what's in there is a little put the camera back down here, hang on. All right, there you go. What's in there is a little rubber, looks like a piece of hose, just a little tiny piece of hose. That's what's in there, and over time they get brittle and wear out and such. So I'm gonna take that apart, put this hose and piece of rubber hose in there, and tighten it all back up. All right, as you can see, this is the old one here. You can see it already is mushroomed out and got some grooves in it, and then this is the new one. So you can kind of see the difference. After a while, they get compressed and go to leaking and all that. So. There you go, it just slides on there. This end is flared a little bit, so. And then we just tighten it on up. And that should be it. So this is Scarecrow with Red Dirt Welding. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and ring that bell. And a lot of winter projects on this John Deere 4840. So if you got one, or if you're interested in old tractors, stay tuned. And there's going to be a lot more. So y'all take care, and God bless.